Welcome to Gardening with Soul in the land of El Sol. Growing on my gate here is some Arizona grape ivy. Now it's not an edible grape, but it does have grape-like structures. It's a cissus. It's a nice twining vine, and it grows along the fence, and it just offers green to the garden. I do have to say that it's a very fleshy leaf. I don't know if that comes through in the video. And here's why it's called the grape ivy. All these grapes, which are not edible by humans. They're extremely bitter, and they do have some compounds in them that are said to be toxic. And I had heard that the birds don't eat it either. And then just this morning, Mr. Thrasher, the curved-billed thrasher, was out there snarfing them all down. So it might be kind of like pyracanthus. Allegedly they're bad to eat, but maybe the birds know when they're safe to eat. Not quite sure. But these are the Cissus trifoliata. The berries, if you squish them open, yeah, they're kind of cool looking, right? They've got usually one to four seeds in them, and I'm trying to extract one seed. Now, most of these on my land were grown from one original root that I said, oh, that's kind of cool. Somebody said, you want it, you can have it. And I took it, and it's a brown root. This, by the way, smells really rank, and so does the root if you scar it. Really rank, really bitter smelling. But so they gave me one root, and I don't know if we can pan around here. It's growing on the gate, which is open right now, and it's growing along the fence and around the fence and up the hill. And this is all from just one little tuber. And that's what's kind of cool about plants, is if you plant a plant and it's happy where you've planted it, it'll grow. It'll keep growing. It'll keep reproducing. But just growing on my gate here. Now the chain that you keep seeing is because the gate is open and I have to chain it shut, because the javelinas have figured out how to stick their little snouts into the chain link, lift up, and that undoes the little locking mechanism of the gate and opens the gate for them. So I have to chain it shut. Never to say that pigs aren't smart, right? But the other thing I want to show you on my garden is that my garden is very eclectic. It's a mix of all sorts of things. You can see, here's, this is one of those things that help hold the rails down on old railroads. And I happened to find a root that reminded me of them. So they're kind of hanging together on my fence. My garden is more of a eclectic mix of decorative elements. We're just going to call it that. Your garden can be whatever you want. If you like that eclectic mix, go for it. Don't care what the neighbors say. Enjoy your garden. Gardening with Soul. Thanks for watching.